Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to channel for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Lincoln Navigator, a luxury SUV that blends power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of full-size SUVs that offer premium comfort and top-tier performance, then stick around because the new Navigator is here to impress. The Lincoln Navigator has always been a flagship model for the brand, standing tall among luxury SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade and the Range Rover. But for 2025, Lincoln has taken things up a notch, making the Navigator even more refined, more advanced, and more powerful. So, let's explore what makes this SUV a true game changer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator continues to command attention with its bold and sophisticated styling. The front grille has been redesigned, featuring a more prominent chrome matte pattern that adds a sense of grandeur. The LED headlamps are now silver and come with Lincoln's signature adaptive custom technology, ensuring maximum visibility in all conditions. The body lines are sleek, giving the SUV a more aerodynamic profile while maintaining its imposing stance. One of the biggest updates is the addition of an illuminated Lincoln star on the grille, which gives the Navigator a futuristic look, especially at night. The new 24-inch alloy wheels enhance its road presence, making it clear that this SUV means business. Lincoln has also introduced new exterior color options, including deep sapphire and New York City in black, giving buyers more choices to match their personal style. The power retractable running boards and hands-free liftgate add practicality, making entry and cargo loading effortless. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that redefines luxury. The 2025 Navigator boasts a cabin wrapped in premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, genuine wood accents, and brushed aluminum finishes. The new 30-way adjustable perfect position front seats now come with improved massage functions, making long journeys feel like a first-class experience. Lincoln has upgraded the ambient lighting system, offering a wider range of colors to set the perfect mood. The panoramic vista roof spans across both rows, flooding the cabin with natural light, enhancing the feeling of space. The second row captain's chairs now feature a fully reclining function, and the available rear seat entertainment system has been updated with dual 14-inch touchscreen displays, ensuring passengers stay entertained on the go. Technology has always been a strong suit of the Navigator, and the 2025 model takes it to the next level. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen running the latest Lincoln C5 system. The interface is smoother, faster, and more intuitive than ever before, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 28-speaker Rebel Ultimate 3D sound system delivers luxury that Lincoln has perfected over the years. That wraps up today's review of the 2025 Lincoln Navigator. What do you think about Lincoln's latest flagship sub? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more in-depth automotive updates. See you in the next video.